everyone, we are there. Final walkthrough, closing day. Okay, final walkthrough is just simply this. The day of the closing, you are going to the house and doing a final walkthrough. And what you're looking for there is all the fixes that you may have asked for in the inspection. You want to make sure that they're done. Any damage since you've been in the property last. The sellers may be moving out the day before. You want to check out if there's any holes in the walls, any broken glass, any stuff like that. And fixtures. A fixture is simply this. Anything attached to the property of the home, that's yours unless specified in the contract. A good example of that is a chandelier, so you want to check for that. Also, if anything was included in the sale, like a washer and dryer, check that. If there's any problems, don't worry. You can solve all that at the closing table. But if you're good to go here, you're ready to go to your attorney's office and sign a bunch of papers, and the only thing left for us to do is to give you the keys to your new home and maybe a bottle of champagne or a little gift expressing our gratitude for your business. And congratulations, you're a new homeowner. All right, there's one more episode. It's very important to me. I hope you tune into that. I look forward to talking to you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.